So the first thing we're going to do is to put the JSON response in here. Now we've already done this, so all we're going to do is copy and paste code that we've done before. We're going to add one or two edits to make it sensible, but if we go back to post person that we did and scroll down, we can see that we've got lots of error messages. What happens if things don't meet our needs? We're not going to use this one at the moment. It's too much. We're just going to use one of these 3-line versions. Perhaps we don't even need the 3-line version, but that's the way that I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to copy that and go into my add person and replace this line with my JSON. So let's just tidy it up a little bit. So if there are no parameters, instead of just printing out a message in text, we're going to print out some sort of JSON response. So the response is going to be fail, is an error, and the message is going to be, actually I'm going to change that. I'm going to have everything in lowercase to make it easier. I might have to change something in another file later. But I'm going to have everything in lowercase just to make it more consistent. So instead of having something as a miss, that's where I would say that my parameters are missing. So one or more parameters are missing. There we go, that seems to be fine. Another thing that I'm going to do is just do some tidying up. Let's have a colon and a bit of space after there, otherwise it will all combine together on one line. So basically all I've done is copied and pasted and changed the error message. Now every time that we have one of these failures, so again we can have a failure if things are empty up here. We've checked if they're set, but we haven't checked if they contain a value. We're going to use this 3-line coding to make a JSON response. So let's just save that, and we should be able to test that, but again I would have to go to index and remove that line temporarily. See what data we get back. So, oops, let's refresh that. No, that didn't save. It's better. There we go, submit, and there we go, we have a JSON response coming back. So now we're going to take a look at filling out what happens if we do have a successful set of 3 fields. All 3 fields are there, but perhaps 1 or 2 of them are empty. So we're going to handle that in the next video.